Hello friends, my name is Shreyas and today I am going to share with you the power of meditation. Why we should do meditation every day. Yes, first of all, I will tell you what are the benefits and definitely how you can do. I am going to explain it. So let's start it. So first thing is it generates positive emotion. Yes, meditation generates positive emotion. 10 minutes of meditation every day can bring a lot of positive emotion just like love, joy, peace, happiness, success. This type of emotion just like confidence with the great communication skills, this type of positive emotion can generate inside your mind and the body, and you feel super confident and super excited. Yes, excitement and confidence is on a top level, on another level. So this type of miracles can generate by only 10 minutes of meditation every day. You must make a practice lifelong until you, because in this life we need to fit mentally as well as physically, and meditation helps to make you mentally more and more stronger, and it makes you more confident and super excited and enthusiastic by the power of meditation. So, and it also delete your negative emotion just like negative thinking, stress, pressure, greed, jealousy, comparing yourself to others. This is the major drawback. Comparison. It avoids comparison to yourself, to neighbors, to any other the roommate, classmate, or to your previous life, to your past, or to your future. So it avoids the comparison. Many of the life problems and failures is due to only the comparison. So it avoids that comparison also. The negative emotions, like overthinking, it gets deleted. Negative thinking deleted. Limiting self-belief is also get deleted. You feel by the power of meditation every day, minimum 10 minutes you can do it. If your age is 20, you can do it for 20 minutes. Your age is 25, you can do it for 10 to 5 minutes, and if your age is 30, you can do it for 30. This is the positive emotion. Second is your health. If your health can be drastically improved, first it improves your digestion power. Yes, it improves your metabolism rate. What is metabolism rate? It is the digestion capacity of your stomach, that is called as a metabolism capacity. So if you're overweight, it reduce your metabolism rate. It can help to bring make you low weight person, and if your weight is high or if your weight is very low, it can makes you to increase your weight by increasing your metabolism rate. So it can help you improve in digestion power and definitely improve your metabolism rate. Okay, this second related to your health is that it makes you more enthusiastic, it makes you super excited, it makes you fast mover rather than a lazy. It avoids a laziness, boredom, stressful life out of your life. So it makes your body and mind completely enthusiastic and super excited. This is the power of meditation. You must try it. It improves your blood circulation. Yes, it improves your blood circulation. It provides the maximum supply to your heart and mind, oxygen supply and blood to your heart and mind. It improves your digestion power. You can digest more and more food by the power of meditation. It improves your digestion power. And the health related issues just like diabetes, overweight, obesity, boredom, stress, feeling every time negative, pressure. So this type of all the bad health issues, this is just like it can improve your heart diseases, it can improve your mental diseases, mental clutter is also get avoided because it improves your brain size. Yes, it generates the endorphin in your mind. That's why you find that it increases your brain size. That's why I suggest you to, you must try meditation every day. You should make a lifelong decision that you must do a meditation. That's why, and later on I'll tell you how you can do meditation. That's why I suggest you to watch this video till the end. And the fourth one is self realization. Self realization means who you are. It improves your self image. According to yourself, you are the greatest person on your the earth according to you, you are the hero of your life. So how the hero of your life? He should be enthusiastic, he should be more powerful, he is the stronger, he should be more courageful, super confident, super excited. This type of the hero of your life, you are the hero of your life. So that's why how he should do. So you taking more care of yourself, because your self images get improved from negative to it get converted into the positive. Communication skills improves, your communication skill improves your memory, focus, and concentration is on another level. It improves by 20, 30, and 50 to 100 times more than your previous. You will try to live in the present rather than you forget about the past regrets and overthinking about the present, future. It all get deleted and you remain to live in the present, and you believe that you are a super confident personality. So it helps to make you a confident personality. It also helps to improve your spiritual connection with the god. You realize who you are. You are being more spiritual, you get more happiness, peace, success, and you find that you are out of this world and you are a great human being and a personality. So this type of drastic changes can improve by the meditation. You can get the benefit financially also. You have the clarity in decision making, in decision, regarding clarity in investment, regarding calculating, regarding making addition, subtraction, and calculations. So you find it very, and you take better decision in your life, including relationship, includes in according to your career decision, financial decision, your relationship, all you are taking with the correct full. So I suggest you how you can do a meditation. Just follow these simple steps I'll tell you. During a meditation, follow the basic rule, that is 5 20 5. 5 20 and 5 seconds. Means in first 5 seconds you have to inhale the breath, in 20 seconds you have to stop that breath, and in the next 5 seconds you have to exhale that breath. Follow this cycle for the 3 times, just like that. You have to inhale your breath, stop it for 20 seconds, close your eyes, stop your breath 20 seconds. During 20 seconds you have to focus on your breath. Yes, you have to focus on your breath, and in the next 5 seconds you have to exhale it. First 5 seconds inhale, next 20 seconds stop your breath, full attention on your breath. See your breath are going up and down from your stomach to your brain. Hold it for 20 seconds. And release in the next 5 seconds. Last and one more time. 5 seconds inhale, 20 seconds stop the breath, and 5 seconds exhale. In the next 5 seconds you must release it. So follow this meditation. Just subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon, and comment in the below on which topic you should have followed the meditation. So just follow the meditation what I did, and that's all I can. Have a great life. Thank you. Meditation definitely can change your life. Just do meditation 10 minutes every day after waking up or before going down to the bed. 10 minutes, or during the day 10 minutes. So follow in this lockdown, start from this lockdown period and make it a purpose in your life. Okay, so have a great day. Thank you.